Student, now question number 6. The minimum radius vector of the curve a square upon x square plus b square upon y square equal to 1 is of length. So let us find the radius vector. Student, question is what is radius vector? Let there is a point in two-dimensional coordinate geometry. Coordinate is x comma y. Point P, there is a origin. Then OP vector is the radius vector. It is xi plus yj. There is x, that is y. Vector along this is OL vector. It is xi vector, xi, and vector along LP, it is yj vector. Now R vector is xi plus yj. Then mod of R equal to under root x square plus y square. Then R square equal to x square plus y square. So let us find the radius vector, which is R square equal to x square plus y square. Now find the value of x square from the curve. So a square, since a square upon x square equal to 1 minus b square upon y square. Take the LCM. So y square LCM, y square minus b square. From this we will get x square. So x square upon a square equal to y square upon y square minus b square, and x square equal to a square y square upon y square minus b square. Now radius vector R square equal to a square y square upon y square minus b square plus y square. We will differentiate R square with respect to y. So dr square over dy equal to, apply the Fusion rule here. So it is y square minus b square whole square, a square constant, there is y square minus b square into 2y minus y square, and there is 2y. The derivative of y square minus b square is 2y, b square is 0, plus 2y. Now here 2y common, then it is a square into 2y. Student, derivative of r square with respect to y is a square into 2y. Then here 2y common, then it is y square minus b square minus y square, it is cancelled out. Then it is 2y again common minus a square into b square plus y square minus b square whole square. Take the LCM. Then and dy over d2y over dx square is this. From this we will get the value of y. Since first order derivative is 0, it is the condition for maxima minima. From this we will get value of y square, which is b into a plus b. See, this term will be cancelled out to y is also cannot be 0. Therefore we will get y square minus b square whole square equal to a square plus b square, and y square minus b square equal to ab. Just take only the positive value of this, then y square equal to b into a plus b, b common, y square equal to a, b into a plus b. Now putting the value of y square in the curve, then we will get a square upon x square equal to b square upon b into a plus b. Then a square upon x square equal to 1 minus b upon a plus b, and we will get a square upon x square is a upon a plus b. Then x square equal to a into a plus b. Now the radius vector r square equal to x square plus y square, putting the value of x square and y square. X square is a into a plus b, y square equal to b into a plus b, then r square equal to a plus b whole square, and r equal to a plus b. Hence radius vector is A plus B, and B option is correct here. Student, now question number 7. The condition that fx equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d has no extreme value is. So here given function fx equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Let us differentiate this. F dash x equal to 3ax square plus 2bx plus c. Since f dash x has no extreme value, therefore the discriminant of this is 0, less than 0, and 2b square, b square minus 4ac less than 0, or we can write b square minus 4ac less than 0. 2b square minus 4, a is 3a and c is c is less than 0. 4 is common and cancel, so it is b square minus 3ac less than 0, and condition is b square is less than 3ac. Therefore, D option is correct here. For question number 7, D option is correct. Now, question number 8. The maximum value of x into e power minus x is what? Student, let y equal to x e to power minus x. To find the maximum value, we will differentiate it. Find first order derivative dy over dx is x e power minus x into minus 1. Apply the product rule here, plus e power minus x into 1. Now e power x common, then it is 1 minus x. Since first order derivative is 0, dy over dx equal to 0, from this, here e power minus x cannot be 0, so x equal to 1. And maximum value by maximum is 1 into e power minus 1, that is 1 upon e. And therefore, B option is correct. Now, question number 9, the least value of the function. So, we have to find the minimum value of the function. Let function is y equal to fx equal to a plus ax plus b upon x. Then dy over dx, first order derivative a x1 minus b upon x square. For maxima and minima, dy over dx is 0, it is a equal to b upon x square. From this, x square equal to b upon a, or we can say x equal to root b upon a. It will be least because second order derivative is positive. d2y over dx square is 0 plus it is 2b upon x cube. Derivative of 1 upon x square is positive. Therefore, y is minimum. And minimum value is y a into, it is root b upon a plus b into root a upon b. Then it is root ab, it is also root ab, and minimum value is 2 root ab. By minimum is 2 root ab, and D option is correct here.